I doing it right? I think I am.
Warning, do not try this at home. If you put the following stuff in a microwave, it can cause a fire and cause severe injuries or lead to disease. Be careful. Put it out as soon as possible if it ever happened to you. Be safe.
Well, that went wrong. Yo, what's up guys, it's me again, Brookie, and today we're going to make, or I'm going to make, some Japanese food, also known as 100% pure chemistry. And just a quick fun fact, the date has already expired, so I could die, guys. I'm putting my life on the line today, so very epic. I suppose this should be a Japanese McDonald's tutorial, right?
Please don't set the house on fire, Brookie.
Let's read the instructions. I think I have to get Google Lens for this. So let's find out what we have to do. I assume we have to translate it from Japanese to English. Not too shabby. According to Google Lens, it says how to make. Be sure to butterful clean and take care of it. Hold the bag and... It's confusing. I'm tripping. We have to work with the pictures.
This will end up being horrible.
First of all, let's just unbox it.
ASMR!
Lots of plastic. This looks very exotic to me. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, this is going to be an adventure. It's going to be very epic. If you don't subscribe, I will stab you. I think this is the food. This is the ketchup, and this is the bread, and this is the beef. I think it's some powder. I think we're good to go. Let's just start. Oh, I forgot the thumbnail. You can warm this McDonald's. If you want to, you can warm this McDonald's in the oven, but we're going to use the microwave. Come over here. Have to put it on 600 watts for, I think it was 40 seconds, if I'm not mistaken. So we're going to take the ingredients, put them in here. We need some scissors. Come on.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Yeet, 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 yeet. Am I doing it right?
The bags are made out of aluminium. I repeat, the bags are made out of aluminium. I'm a dumbass. Never put aluminium in your microwave. That's just delusional. Never do it. Do not try at home, you stupid bitch.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Smells like fireworks. Now we have an even better thumbnail. Well, that went wrong because it's aluminium. However, we got two packages.
Here we go again.
Yeet. It says we have to open the potatoes, which is, this is the potato one. So we need to open this one.
One hour later.
Me gusta. So we got the French fries, or should we say cocaine? Well, this is a great tutorial, guys. I hope you're learning from this because I'm the best teacher ever. Like, I love education. What is this? What the f is this tutorial?
And now, cooking with Brookie.
We can still use it, right?
We can still use it. Poor children starving in Africa. They could have eaten this. I know that you're probably thinking,
Oh, Brooke, you're taking the piss. You're so bad at making food. You're pathetic.
I know, But I'm the next Gordon Ramsay. That's my secret. Where's the lamb sauce? Thank God we got a second one because this video would already have been finished by now. So, we got the first part cut off. We need to cut this one. This is the bread, this is the beef. Do you want some beef, guys? Do you want some beef? Do you want some beef, guys? Do you want some beef, guys? What is this tutorial? Pathetic. I can't cut. Please. No, I can't cut. You know, guys, this is actually a humiliation to me. Don't sniff the beef. Don't sniff the beef. This is not even a happy meal anymore. It's a sad meal.
But
it's a sad meal.
Sorry, I haven't.